fruits, vegetables, meat, grains, and pastries. These are just a few of the products that can be bought at the Saturday Farmers Market, organized by the Cebu Food and Wine Festival, in partnership with different companies that aim to help local entrepreneurs this pandemic. The market is open every Saturday at the parking lot of Marco Polo Plaza, Cebu until September 1. Here, farmers from the different parts of Cebu are able to sell their produce for free.
Hi, we're here at the Saturday's Farmers Market at the Marco Polo. Since it opened, we've been coming here every morning, and it became like a get-together place for amongst friends, which you can see now. We are enjoying our food. So anyway, have fun and enjoy the shopping here. There are vegetables, fruits, and there's a lot. Yeah, breads and cooked food.
The market is also a one-stop shop for artisan products that are not found in your typical grocery stores.
Hi, we're from Inday Adlay, and we're here every Saturday morning at Marco Polo, 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. Adlay is a local grain grown from Bukidnon. It is high in fiber, low in glycemic index. It's safe for diabetics. It's also high in protein, and it's great for weight management. So come visit us. We're here every Saturday.
Good morning, my name is Mike, and I'm a representative of our company, Cebu Soy Masarang. We're here in Marco Polo Farmers Market. We're here for the rest of June and July. So catch us every Saturday morning. So what we are selling, we're selling soybean products basically. Tofu, chilled taho, soy milk. They're all made with no added preservatives. They're all natural, and they're also very affordable. So come check us out at Marco Polo Farmers Market every Saturday.
Hi, I'm Irma Bitzer, and here's my husband.
Jochen Bitzer.
So we are here in Marco Polo Farmers Market, and we are selling Italian breads and pastries, lasagna, pita, hummus, and many more. So it's no sugar, no preservatives breads.
And this has been Christine De Venagracia for My TV Cebu.